Mga kapatid, last day na po of registration. Nasa bahay ka lang pero gusto mo talagang kumita ng additional income. Alam nyo ba na pwede kang kumita kahit ikaw ay nasa bahay at nakaduster lang? Yes, pwede yun. How? By joining our Sana All. Okay, ano itong Sana All? Discover the effective freelancing techniques that can really give you a stable income. Alam mo, ang gandaan po dito sa online course na ito, makasama ko si Coach Mommy MK. Okay, si Coach Mommy MK is one of the proponent ng mga freelancing movement. Dito, kikitain mo sa pamagitan ng paggamit ng new skills kahit wala kang experience, magkakaroon ka rin ng high-paying online jobs. At the same time, bibigyan namin kayo ng step-by-step guide, script, lahat no, para maturuan kayo on how you can work from home and then you can earn money. At kapag nag-avail ka ng VIP access, makakasama ka pa sa isang exclusive webinar. So last day na po ito, huwag niyo palampasin itong pagkakataon na ito. At dito sa Zoom meeting na ito, I'm going to share with you the 8 simple strategies how I earn my 6 to 7 figure income. So if you want to be part of this, just type WFH and don't be left behind.